has to be. That's what I do. So it's like see, I think I know. Look, so it has to be really straight. Oh, there, straight.
Perfect, yeah.
Right, straight. And then it was fine. Oh, I think I know. Right, okay.
Right, push. Okay, now pull a little bit. I'll just put a little bit. Not all of it.
Yeah, that one is the one stuck. There, that one.
It's getting stuck at an angle, is it?
One. Got it? There, straight. Right? Right, okay. Look.
You
Let's
ready?
figure everything out. I think like this. Look. There. Oh, I can see it. Why? Like this. So if you pull it like this, all straight, yeah? There. See, that one is not straight, so you have to make sure it's straight. There. Yeah, I think this is straight.
Give us a smile.
I think I know. You have to make sure you line them up. Again?
No!
So line it up properly, like straight.
Yeah.
Line up. Nothing is. Everything has to be straight. No space. Without space is better. Without the spacing, you know. Then you just push it a bit more, like